Oh my gosh. Hi guys. Wait, wait, wait. 15 seconds into the video. 1 minute. Okay, everybody, so I'm back, and hello, everybody. It's Jenna from Toy Blues. Today, I'm going to be showing you all of my squishies that I could find. I collect, including weird ones, stuff like that. So, yeah, even if they're not that squishy, I'm still going to be showing you. Like, the Santa is not that squishy at all. And I'm going to tell you where I got them from, if I remember. And I have a unicorn squishy, but I cannot find it. So yeah, let's get into the video. This is so squishy. It's my little galaxy panda. I got it for Christmas. It's so cool. And it's so cute. It's like a panda and it's a galaxy. I love it. Oh, and I keep them all in my Brat's tent. And I actually have 2 elves. So let's do them next. So I have 2 elves. Not even that squishy. I think actually they're like a difference. Like this one is squishier than this one. Oh, that's really cool, actually. I might stack them up at the end of the video. Not in the video though. So I'm going to start off with my least one and my biggest squishy one. Like, I think that's my squishiest one besides my pineapple, I think. It's so cool. I just love it. And also, so yeah. I have a snowman. He's really squishy on the hat, though. I have Santa, and his beard looks weird. Real. I have a reindeer. He's pretty squishy. See? Right there, there's like no foam. And his smile's in the wrong place. So, it's like under his eye. Can you guys do that? Put it in the comments down below. I definitely can't. If I did, I would like not be able to do it. So since I said I'm gonna do my least squishies, this is really squishy, so that's gonna be like at the end. So right here, I have my black skeleton squishy, all painted and stuff. So cool. This is really squishy. Again, there's really good sunlight. I mean, great lighting, and I don't even need lights or a camera to make it like very good lighting and light. But just to let you guys know, my dog did not eat it. Because you guys know I have a dog. I made a video with only that dog in it, not Mia. Scooby. You guys know Scooby? You know Scooby. Scooby playing. Hello, Silence. I am your new friend. Look at the new up. So it's the paint on the eyes are like a little, there's a comparison. And this one's definitely more squishier than this one. It's like stress. Like the Santa, the reindeer, the snowman, the elves, they're kind of like stress balls. Oh, this one's the one at the beginning of the video. It's not that squishy, but it's really squishy still. The top is really squishy. So this is a caramel bun, I think. Guys, I'm so sorry if I got that wrong. So I got this for my birthday from my friend Elena. It's like my biggest squishy that I have besides this cat one. And I think this one's not bigger. This one's a cat one, so I think the cat one's bigger. I think this one's actually my biggest squishy though. So yeah. But I don't know. I have more squishies that I can't find. Imagine they made like a Bobo squishy. Or a JoJo squishy. Or even just a Bo squishy. Just kidding, guys. I wish they made like Lego squishies. They probably do that. So, wait, no. He's really squishy. Actually, they're all. Oh, this one's. It's like one of those things. It has like water and fish inside. So look. And it slides very easy. And I was in my friend's car because I got it with her. I was holding it, like a cup of water, and then this happened. And it happened, so I like dropped it a lot on the sidewalk. So yeah. Yay! So I'm gonna go with this one next. Kind. Actually, no. This is actually not a real squishy. This is a real squishy. But let's still do it. So like right here somewhere, like on the block, like right here, it doesn't matter. So it's really squishy there. And look how squishy this is. And it's so slow rising. I got it at the mall. And I got this at Learning Express. I think it was called. Yeah, Learning Express. And I think my friend got this at Toys R Us or Walmart. Or Walgreens. So I'm saving. Oh, that's squishy. My pineapple is actually my second. Is actually my first squishy. This is my second. This is my third. And this is my fourth. But this is actually my favorite squishy. Even though it's not too squishy, but it's really cool. So, here's my second favorite. So, it's a hot dog. I got it at Party City. It is so adorable, but I ripped it a little bit. And I have little eyes. He's so cute. Then this. Look at this. It's not even rising. It's so squishy and slow rising. Like, if I try to do that. Just wait. Sorry, that's the dog. The dog. Look. Just look. It's not even rising. That's amazing. I'm gonna wait for him to rise until I stack them. So yeah. I'll be right back. It might take a while. Sorry, that wasn't the period of time. But it's starting to indent a little more. It's good. Oops, sorry guys. Okay. So he's kind of not bendy. So let's get stacking. Like a kid in a candy. Like a candy. The world's ours. Like a cookie jar. Just gonna reach in and grab it. Anything you want, you can have it. When the day turns dark, cookie jar. Just gonna reach in and grab it. Anything you want, you can have it. Like a kid in a candy store. Like a kid in a candy. The world's ours. Like a cookie jar. Just gonna reach in and grab it. Anything you want, you can have it. So, it's very good. When this review. Oh my god. I'll just bring the camera up next. It's so crazy when they serve you with drama, but I won't play it. I just do what I wanna. You can take a pic if you like to, but you better be quick, cause I might move. Yeah, I'm living that life, that's what I do. I'm living that life. If you're coming to me, I'll say no. Tell them I wanna deal no more. Tie them up with a bow. Oh. I don't wanna get old too fast. I wanna make these good times last. Slip them into my hair like that. And if the bus, I'll say, I just wanna do. Like a kid in a candy store. This is as good as I can do. Like a kid in a candy store. Like a kid in a candy. Oh my gosh, I forgot the reindeer. So it's actually going away. You guys won't be able to see it. So I hope you enjoyed this 11-minute and 20-second video so far. And comment down below, subscribe, thumbs up this video, and if you do thumbs up, I'll make a promise with you guys. If I either get if I get 100 views, 300 views, and 200 thumbs up, and at least 10 subscribers, I promise you guys, I'll make I'll bring back making as much videos as I can in one day. Like, say it's Friday, I would make craft videos, doll videos, and toy videos, and stuff videos, never videos, or during the week after, of course, I do my homework. But I wouldn't post as many on Thursday because I have gymnastics, or on Sunday, makeup day. Yeah. So far, it's actually been 13 minutes. So bye, guys. Actually, no. Sorry. So if that happens, for today, I'm gonna do it every day. Even the weekend, but some days I won't, and some days I'll only post 3 videos a day. Sometimes I'll post 1,000,000 videos a day. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below what videos you want to see on Toy Palooza. Thumbs up. Remember what I said. Subscribe down there in the box. You can do it. Turn on your notifications so you can get notified so you get a notification whenever I make a new video. Yeah. So make sure you don't. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below, subscribe, and a thumbs up. Bye. Like a kid in a candy store.